Welcome back, student. As I have promised, we will continue with the tags. So, student, before going to what are tags, next explanation of tags, one thing which we have to know. I have said in last video that structures are basic rules कि how to use tag and attribute to create web pages. So first in this video I will explain structure first, then I will explain tags, and we will try to complete attribute also. Okay, student. So let's start. What is structure? Structure of HTML coding. It is known as structure of HTML coding. Student, in previous video I have said कि anything which is written or in angle bracket, it is called tag. Tags are keyword of HTML. Student, first tag of each and every web pages which is created in the HTML, any website, web page of whole world, the coding is same of all web pages which is created in HTML, and the code is HTML. You can see HTML is in the angle bracket, so we can say that HTML tag. It is HTML tag. I am explaining structure of HTML. You can make a note. Structure of HTML. So it starts with HTML tag, and second tag under the HTML tag, it is head. HEAD. Head tag under the angle bracket. Student, in previous video I have explained कि two types of tag, empty tag, container tag. So first time I will explain container tag. What are container tag? The tag which have on and off tag, which have both on and off tag, is called container tag. I am repeating, the tag which have on and off tag called container tag. What is example of on tag and off tag? I am giving you. In the structure, first thing will be HTML tag, second thing is head tag, few coding will be there, and then a new thing you will see, head with slash symbol. Student, this slash with same name is known as off tag, and without slash it is known as on tag. So the tag which have both on and off tag, it is on tag, it is off tag, called container tag. Second, next point, HTML head open, head close, then a new tag will open. This tag is called body. Various codes will be there. Here only limited code will available, but here maximums you can see that various lines of codes available. Body tag open and same body tag close. Where is closing symbol? Yes, student, the slash symbol will tell you that this one is off tag, this one is on tag. We are learning structure of HTML. In the structure of HTML open, head close. Under the head tag, under, what is the mean of under? Under means in the range of opening and closing between the code is called under the tag. So this is under head tag and these all codes is under body tag. And you can find here these two things. And what is after this? After this a simple tag will be which is closing HTML. Closing HTML means HTML will be there but leading slash mark will be there. It is slash HTML. Student, now I will explain the complete structure. Student, first and last line, opening and closing HTML tag under two basic parts. Two parts only. First, it is head part. Second, it is body part. I will explain these two things. Just very carefully, see very carefully here, beta. I am going to erase these things. Students, when you go through the structure of HTML coding, you will find two things, head tag and body tag under the HTML. This code is common for each and every web pages all around the world. Okay, student. Suppose you are using internet, you will get a screen, and in this screen, the top part here you can, suppose you are using it on the desktop, so at the top you will find a button which is close button, then maximize button, then minimize button, and here name of the browser will be there. Under this line you will find some button which will send you next and previous of the website pages. Here some certain tools will be there to search some specific thing, or few other things is also there for cut, copy, paste, for anything. These all are standard tools available. So here the actual content is displayed after this part. So this part which have common information for each and every website, this part is the top part, and the top part is common for each and every website. Only changes available in this segment. In this segment, suppose you have opened Google page, so Google will display here the search box and all the contents will available here. Suppose you are going to use YouTube, this thing will same. The YouTube appearance will be displayed. You are going to use Gmail, so Gmail appearance will display here, but the top part is not going to change. So student, in the figure which I have given you all, if you are going to see it very carefully now, you will find there are two parts. First part which is top one, and second one which is for bottom one. So this bottom one is called body and the top one is called head. So student, body, head. Yes student, there are two basic components of a particular web page, is head part and body part, and these two part is the structure of HTML pages. These two part is the component of web pages. So two components, two major tags. In previous video I will tell you the basic tags for the beginner which will help you to create a simple web page for you all. So in the series of that particular tags I have given you 1, 2, 3 tags. These 3 tags are enough to create a simple web page. Student, just few tags will help you to create a simple web page. These are enough one, but if you are going to make this, if you are going to write this code, okay student, if you are going to write this code, question is where you have to write. First thing, where you have to write, and is it possible to write code and it will turn into the web pages? No. Two questions. How and where we will write and how we will turn that code into a web page. So student, I will give this answer. After that we will bind up for today's class. So student, question is where you will write this code. So you all know Notepad. Notepad. What is Notepad? It is a simple app. We can say that a small software package available in Windows. It is an accessories program. How to open Notepad? So just in your computer desktop, here you will find Start button. In your keyboard, Start button is also available. Just press it or click on Start button. Start menu will display. Go to all program. After that, in the all program list, click on accessories. And in the accessories, a new list will display. In the accessories, click on Notepad. Student, once again I am repeating. Click on Start button. Start menu will display. Click on all program in Start menu. Again a new menu display. In the menu, select accessories. A new menu display. In the menu, select Notepad. When you are going to click on this one, a new page will display here. A new page will display here. And this new page, I am going to erase the question. I will write here. This screen will looks like that. A page. Here you will see the name Notepad and these 3 buttons. One menu bar will be there. File, edit, view, and some menus will be there. A simple cursor. Notepad is a simple text editor which will help you to write the codes of HTML, and after that, after writing all the codes, you will save it. At the time of saving the document, just make sure the extension of your HTML document should be .html. I will explain it later. Student, here you have to write all the code. Write your code. Again, click on File menu. When you will click on File menu, various menu will display here. First thing of New, then Open, then Save, Save As, something, and last will Exit. Just select Save. Click on Save. In the Save dialog box, type a file name. Type a file name, any file name. After that, you have to use this extension which I have told, .html. Student, this is the second answer where I have put it 2 question mark na, where to write the. So answer is in the Notepad you have to write the code. And second question was ki how to turn the code in web page. So student, this is the process. When you are saving the document, use .html extension. It will make your simple text file in a web page, and it will be opened. This file can be opened with the help of any browser which is available on your computer, and that code will display this kinds of appearance where you can find the top part, which is for head part, and the bottom part which actually contain. Okay student, this is today's class. I'm sure it is enough. And one request I have made in last video, please subscribe my channel. You can search it on Google or you can search it on YouTube also. Just type Raja Sir CBSE. Click, you will get my channel. Subscribe it, and there all videos are available. Just have number of time revision. When your doubts are clear, then move to the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. It is enough for today. Good luck.